Hey, it's Victoria Morehouse from InStyle, and I am here with the amazing Daniel Martin, the master of bridal looks. He just created Meghan Markle's beauty look for her royal wedding. And today we are going to show you how to create a summer-inspired bridal look.
Hope you like it.
So what's the first step in creating our bridal look?
The first step is to really get your skin in a really good place that's gonna keep the makeup lasting all day.
Okay.
That, for me, is basically toning and hydrating. So after I prep the skin, I always start the eyes first. Because what this does is any fallout that you have, it's easy for me to clean up, and then I go into complexion. And I'm actually going to lay down this chocolatey brown at the base of your lash line and then blend it up. I'm kind of layering, knowing that I need the longevity of the makeup to last.
Got it.
Just because you want it to last for pictures and you don't want to have to worry about it the rest of the night. And now I'm just gonna go in with this other shadow, and this has a bit of shimmer to it. And now I'm gonna take this gold right into the inner corner. So I'm gonna take that darker tone, and I'm just gonna line your bottom lash line with it. I'm gonna have you squeeze your eyes really hard. Because I want all of that to transfer. And what this does is it kind of melds everything together. So now I'm gonna go into your complexion. So I'm gonna take our Everything Matte Primer, and I'm actually using a paddle brush that I got at the art store. It's great with cream products, and it's also really soft on the skin, and they're really inexpensive. So now I'm just gonna go with foundation. I'm only using just a tiny bit.
What's the biggest makeup mistake that you think brides make?
That they need to do so much to their skin. A lot of people don't realize that you don't need a lot. You know, my makeup is breaking up, it's not lasting. It's because you've applied too much to your skin. And what I like to do is I like to do concealer after foundation. It allows me to see how much more coverage I want. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of powder.
And this keeps it so your skin is glowy but not shiny. Because those two things are different.
So different. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush. And I like to do the cheek before I finish off the eye because it allows me to see how much color I need to do.
I feel like you're wiggling and then pulling. Is that help lengthen your lashes?
Yeah, also in photos it gives the illusion of liner because I'm really getting that mascara at the base.
So on the big day, you should definitely have Q-tips and a little
cleansing water.
And a little cleansing water.
For sure. And waterproof mascara.
Definitely that.
And now I'm just gonna come in with a liquid liner really tight at your lash line. This is a very light, fresh, modern bridal look. Can definitely strengthen this up with a lip liner. I love using eyeshadow for brows because it fills it in without it looking too dark.
It's a natural brow versus like a bold Instagram brow.
Yeah, exactly. Are you ready for the reveal?
Yes, I am so excited. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This is exactly what I would want to wear to my wedding.
Good.
I love it.
And it's kind of like this lit from within color.
The skin is glowy, but even.
Right.
It's really pretty. I love it. I'm ready for a wedding.
Yay!
Thank you so much for helping us create this bridal look, Daniel. And thank you guys for joining us.
Thanks, guys.